Hi, I'm here at Wickes Edmonton for the Wickes Home Improvers community event. I'm going to be chatting to suppliers and customers about all of their up and coming projects. So let's get stuck in.
I came to the event because I'm doing up my spare room. I need some inspo, some tips, don't really know where to start. So I thought this would be a good place to come.
I've come in feeling quite a novice, quite a newbie. I think the event today's definitely made me feel more confident.
5 minutes in and answers were received from my questions. Everyone's been fantastic. The expert advice has been nothing but supreme.
I spoke to some people at Harris Brushes, they're really helpful. They've given me these, which apparently are like super precise.
Learned so much. Moulding, what paint colours go best together, what type of paint I should be using. I feel like I've learnt a lot.
I've been to quite a few of these Home Improvers community events, and they are such a great way for us to connect with our local community and tell you all about what we've got going on in store.
The opportunity for local charities, schools to get some support from Wickes to help improve the areas they're working in.
I've done a few now of these Wickes community events. Every single one's been absolutely brilliant.
Helping people get the confidence to get the projects done.
It's really nice to be out meeting different customers and helping them build confidence with colour.
If you'd like to get involved, join the Home Improvers community to find out about up and coming events.